Namaste. Welcome to your practice. Welcome to Quick and Effective Core Series. Today's practice is going to be all done on our back. So let's jump right into it. Lay flat on your back. Legs straight down, arms up over your head, lengthen tall. Ankles together, point your toes. You can feel your lower back, mid-back arching a little bit. That's okay. And now on your next exhalation, out through your mouth, like blowing out the candle. You may flexing your feet, heels pressing, lower belly drawn in, and arms down by your side. Feel your back coming a little closer towards the ground. Very good. Let's go 3 rounds to waking up the core. Inhale, arms up, point the toes. Slight arch. Exhale, belly button suck in towards your spine, flexing your feet, arms down by your side, chin tuck down. Very good. One last round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, ribs hug deeply in, belly drawn in, arms down by your side. That's it. And this time, bend your knees, arms out to T-shape, and just gently pressing your lower back and mid-back and rocking your legs side to side. Nice and easy twist. And this time, peel your right foot off of the ground, flexing your right foot. Arms up over your head, lengthen tall. As you exhale, I want you to use again your exhalation to contracting your belly, lifting up your head and neck up, and using both palms to push your right thigh. Very good. And now switch. Lower your right foot down, arms up over your head, head and neck down. Exhale, left leg up, contract as you exhale, palms on top of your left thigh and push. Very good. Shoulders relaxed. Let's adding 10 more from now. Inhale, left leg down, arms up. Exhale, keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. 9. Little bit of resistance with your thigh, with your palms. 8. No rush. 7. 6. 5. 4. If your neck feeling sore, I want you to just relaxing your head and neck down and use your exhalation to feel your belly contracting. Let's finish with your left thigh. Push and hold. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now both legs straight down, arms up over your head again. Exhale, arms out to T-shape, bend your knees, move your legs side to side. Very good. And this time, legs straight up, arms up toward the sky. Go ahead, just rotating your wrists and ankles. Feels good. Open your fingers and your toes as wide as you could. And squeeze as tight as you could. Open, close, open, close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. And now as you extending your arms and legs up, now you're going to lower your right hand with your left leg down toward the ground. Exhale, bring them back up. Switch. Inhale, left hand with your right leg. Exhale, bring them back up. Very good. Coordinating with your right arm and left leg. Not the same arm and same leg. Still is okay, but keep working toward to opposite arm, opposite leg, going down and up. Very nice. Shoulders relax. Make sure you exhale and bring your limbs back up. Let's adding 5 more from now. 4, 3, 2. Sure, waking up our brains too, right? One brain. And now as you're extending arms and legs up, bend your knees, flexing your feet. Bring your both palms on top of your thighs, gently push. Shoulders relax, hold and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop the feet down, arms up over your head, lengthen tall. As you exhale, releasing your arms out to T shape, gently rocking your legs side to side. Now, let us targeting our obliques. Peel your feet off of the ground, squeezing your inner thighs, pressing your lower back, mid back gently down. Take full breath in. As you exhale, lower your legs toward to the right side. And then bring it back up. Very good. Switch. Inhale. Exhale. Your legs don't need to go too far down if that feels uncomfortable for your spinal flexibility. Use your obliques. Very good. You can even turn your palms up toward to the sky. That's your choice again, or palms down toward to the ground. Let's add in 5 more from now. 4, 3, no rush again, use your breath. We'll finish with the left side. Beautiful. Extending legs straight up, arms up over your head. And now this time as you exhale, arms down by your side, lifting up your head and neck up. But think about your shoulders and shoulder blades coming off of the ground instead of your neck. That's it. 5 more. Inhale, lower your head and neck down, arms up. Exhale, bring it back up. 4. Legs straight up too much on your hamstring flexibility, then keep your knees bent. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 last round. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, reaching your arms up again. As you exhale, lower your hands down just a little bit underneath your lower back. Okay, take a deep full breath in. Now if your legs are straight up, keep your knees softly bent so your knees in line with your hips to begin. And now take full breath in. As you exhale, toe tap. Touch the floor with your toes. Bring your legs back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now 1 leg at a time. Right toes down, take it up. Left toes down, take it up. Chin slide tuck down, take it up. Shoulders relax, take it up. Keep going. Beautiful. Finish with your left. And now extending legs straight up as much as you could and arms up over your head. Exhale, legs straight down, full 1-9 body stretch. Beautiful job. Now bend your knees, pull your knees, close your chest. Give yourself gentle rocking side to side. Well done. Hold on to the tops of your knees and go ahead circling one direction and to the other direction. Here comes the final exercise. As you now pressing your feet down, arms up over your head, lengthen tall. Exhale, bring your palms to the back of your neck. Very classic crunch. Ready? Pressing your feet, breathe in. As you exhale again, contracting your abdominal muscle and lifting up your, again, shoulders and shoulder blades off of the ground. So instead of coming up with your neck, I want you to lifting up toward to the sky using exhalation. Okay, let's go. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, come up 10. Inhale, exhale. 9, 8, breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4. Just gently support your neck with your fingers. 2, and 1 and hold. Breathe. Faster with your exhalation, forceful exhalation. 10, 9, 8, almost there. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. All the way 1. Good job. Legs straight down, arms up over your head. Let's finish with a gentle spinal twist. Pull your right knee close your chest. Right hand down, T-shape. Twist gently toward to the left side. Look over to your right shoulder. Come back to the center. Right leg straight down. Arms back up. Long one line body stretch. Exhale, left knee close your chest. Nice and wind releasing pose. And twist. Left hand down, T-shape. Twist toward to the right side. Very nice. And now come back to the center. Arms back up over your head. Exhale, bend your knees, gently rocking side to side. And roll over to one side. Slowly push yourself up to comfortable seated pose. Now as we sit up tall, pray our hands at your heart. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel this beautiful fiery energy that you created on your core. And now extending arms up, let us have good body stretch together. Exhale, positive energy back into your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me and taking this time to look after your body, mind, and your energy. See you again on the next class. Namaste.